People around the world welcomed the decade with spectacular fireworks across various parts such as India, Sydney, Tokyo and Dubai. New Year's Day, which according to the Gregorian calendar falls on January 1st, is one of the most popular occasions across the globe, and people, irrespective of religion, caste and creed, celebrate it in their own ways. The Inner Line Permit System ILPS, which was extended in Manipur on December 10th last, will officially be applicable starting from today. Reportedly, the N. Biren-led government in the state had earlier published ILP 2019 guidelines in the State Gazette. Residents of RONGDAI village under Longmai None district, Manipur organized a New Year 2020 welcome service and dedication devotion on the theme "Know the Purpose of Our Living" early this morning at RONGDAI Baptist Church New Year Celebration Hall. Thousands of devotees came to attend the New Year 2020 welcome and dedication service. On the last day of the year, Railways announced a hike in passenger fare effective from January 1st, raising journey cost by 1 to 4 paise per kilometer in different classes after a gap of over 5 years. For all AC classes, the hike is 4 paise per kilometer travelled, while non-AC classes and the unreserved segment will see a 1 paise per kilometer hike. On long distance, mail or express trains, the hike will be 2 paise per kilometer.